Hello students, today we are going to learn about birds which that can fly and which that can not fly. Okay? And we learn in worksheet. So let's start. These are some birds that fly. Here some birds are given which that can fly. Okay? First is sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. So, sparrow can fly. Okay? Now next, eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Eagle can fly. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot can fly. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Crow can fly. D-O-V-E. Dove. Dove can fly. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Pigeon also can fly. Okay? Now, next. These are some birds that cannot fly. Here also some birds picture given which that cannot fly. So first is penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Penguin cannot fly. It's walk but it cannot fly. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Ostrich also can walk but it's not can fly. Emu. E-M-U. Emu. Emu also can walk but it's not can fly. Okay? So these birds are fly. Sparrow, eagle, parrot, crow, dove and pigeon are flying, but penguin, ostrich and emu that also birds but they are not fly. Now let's do some more activity. In other worksheet we have to match correctly. So here again some birds are given. We have to match with can fly or cannot fly. Okay? So first sparrow. Now all of you give me answer. Sparrow can fly or cannot fly? Yes. Sparrow can fly. Sparrow can fly. So sparrow match with can fly. Okay. Next, emu. Give me answer. Emu can fly or cannot fly? Yes. Emu cannot fly. So we have to match emu with cannot fly. Next, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. So children, give me answer. Eagle can fly or cannot fly? Yes, eagle can fly. So we have to match eagle with can fly. Okay. Next, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. So give me answer. Parrot can fly or cannot fly? So yes, parrot can fly. So we have to match parrot with can fly. Next is penguin. Now children, give me answer. Penguin can fly or cannot fly? Yes, penguin cannot fly. So penguin picture match with cannot fly. Okay. So look, sparrow can fly. Emu can walk but it cannot fly. Eagle can fly. Parrot can fly. But penguin cannot fly. So these are birds can fly. Sparrow, eagle, parrot, crow, dove and pigeon can fly. But these are some birds that cannot fly. These type of birds, but they cannot fly. Penguin, ostrich and emu cannot fly. They are walk only. They cannot fly. These birds are walk, but these birds are cannot fly. Okay? So today we are learn about birds which they are can fly and some are not flying. Okay? And this activity doing in worksheet. I hope you enjoy and understand. Thank you.